Hi there, I'm Dan Knuth with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Bridgeport EZ-TRAK mill for you here today. It's got a Series 2 base on it. It's like a Series 2 special size machine. It's got nice chrome ways on it. Machine is a 3-axis machine. It's got power on the quill here, the Z-axis. Computer's been updated on this machine by EMI, Source Control Console. It's got a solid state drive in it, so it should be pretty reliable. Jog the machine here. There's the X. Y. Z. Start the machine here. Machine has handles on it, so you can run it manually also, which is nice, as well as the CNC. Still got the manual down feed on it, as well as the CNC down feed. It's all functional. It's got a mister on it. Let's run it through the program now. It's kind of a long program, so everything looks pretty good on it. If you got any questions, give us a call.